Open the file Biped01.
In the previous lesson, we looked at adapting the biped skeleton to the mesh of our character. In this lesson, we're going to adapt the mesh of our character to the biped skeleton. Select the mesh and go to Modify, Poly Subobject. Go into wireframe mode and select the polygons that make up the upper arm. Be sure to uncheck Ignore Back Facing so that you get the correct selection. Once you're happy with the selection, go down to Detach and just name this Left Upper Arm. And you want to detach as clone. Now that we have this upper arm object, we can attach it to the arm. So select the biped upper arm and apply an Edit Poly modifier to it. And click Attach, and then just attach the left upper arm mesh that we made. Once you've attached that, you can select by element and select the biped bone element and just delete it. Now what you should have, if we go into layers and hide the geometry, is an upper arm for our biped that is actually textured and modeled to the specifications of our mesh. You can of course change the color, and you can see you have all the same keyframing abilities that you normally would with a biped piece. If I go ahead and open up Biped Setup 02, you'll see exactly what we can do with this. Now I've recolored all of the meshes and adjusted them. We'll just unfreeze all, and let's just hide the geometry so that we only see our biped object. And you see now we have this character that is 100% a biped but looks like the outer mesh. And this gives us a lot of flexibility when we want to animate. So I'll just bring up a file with this animated. Biped03. And we'll hide the geometry again. So you can see, as far as spatial relations and all the rest of that, the animator can have a great idea of how this character is working for them in the viewport.